Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to hide the translate button in Telegram. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once inside Telegram, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Simply tap on them to access the main menu. Step 3. From the menu options, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to the Telegram settings page. Step 4. Inside the settings page, scroll down and tap on Languages. This will open the language settings for Telegram. Step 5. Within the language settings, you'll find an option labeled Show Translate Button. Tap on it to access the Translate button settings. Step 6. To hide the Translate button, simply disable the option by tapping on the toggle switch next to Show Translate button. Congratulations, you've successfully hidden the Translate button in Telegram. Enjoy a clutter-free and streamlined messaging experience. By following these simple steps, you can remove the Translate button from your Telegram interface, providing a cleaner and more focused messaging environment. Hiding the Translate button in Telegram helps in decluttering the user interface and ensures a distraction-free messaging experience. We hope this full guide has been helpful in assisting you with hiding the Translate button in Telegram. If you found this video informative and enjoyed the tutorial, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy a seamless messaging experience in Telegram.